Stop playing on skill sets. If you have not seen $10,000 this year, you have to sit back and relax. Let me put you through real quick on how you can actually make $10,000 within 6 months or maybe before the year runs out. Just sit back, relax. Let me put you through on how you can actually make this money fast. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chima Pearl, or maybe today you can call me Professor Chima Pearl because I'm going to teach you something that nobody is ever going to teach you for free. Today I'm giving you 4 powerful ways you can make your first $10,000. Number one and number four is actually my favorite, and they are the means that I'm currently working towards making my own $10K. All you have to do is to pick the right skill for you and start working towards your $10,000 dream, right? So let's get into the topic of today. I have everything written down here in my laptop. So all you have to do is grab your pen and paper to take notes because you have to start making money immediately. Like I said, number one and number four is my favorite. Let's get to number one, video editing. Learn how to use the laptop to edit and learn how to use the camera very well. Listen, there is high demand of video marketing right now in the world. If you look at it very well, a lot of people don't really enjoy reading anymore. I don't know why. I still enjoy reading, but there is high demand of video marketing in the world right now. All you have to do is master how to use the camera and learn how to edit with your laptop. You can start with small businesses or maybe content creators. You have to start posting your pictures out there on Instagram or maybe Upwork or Facebook where people can actually see you and request for your contact and let you work for them. Listen, content creators, a lot of them can actually make videos. Someone like me, I can make my video and I can edit my video. There are some of my friends who are content creators like me. They know how to make video, but they don't know how to edit. I don't really have the time to start collecting money from them or charging them to teach them how to edit or maybe edit for them. No, I don't really. They have to pay someone else to do that job for them. And if I tell you how much my friends are paying, you'll be wowed. Okay, so when you learn how to edit video very well, shoot video and edit very well, post your work out there, contact business owners, content creators, put yourself out there and you will see yourself making money. If you can edit 50 videos within 1 month, edit 50 videos within 1 month, just make sure people are referring you and make sure you are good, because once you start editing, master it, learn different skills in editing and start editing, you will see how people will be referring you to their friends. And if you can edit like 50 videos in a month, you will know how much you are making. Now calculate that by 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. You will be a millionaire. I'm telling you. If you master this skill very well, don't just learn it anyhow. Put down yourself and learn this skill. You will make a lot of money and you will thank me later. Let's go to number two. Number two is this: learn how to use the Excel spreadsheet. A lot of companies are paying huge amounts to people who know how to use this Excel spreadsheet to work for them. Believe me, I have a friend of mine who is working as a cashier and the other one as a bookkeeper. No qualification, just because they know how to use the Excel spreadsheet. I don't know how to use the Excel spreadsheet. I think it's more calculating because I'm not really that good in calculation, except when it comes to money. When it comes to money calculation, no matter how you mix it, I can actually tell you how much is there, right? But when it comes to that Excel spreadsheet, I'm kind of finding it difficult, right? But I know people who are making money from this, but I will still go back to learning because I really need it in my course, right? So if you learn how to use the Excel spreadsheet, believe me, give yourself time. You will see people calling you, companies looking for you to work for them. Your salary will not be cheap. A lot of people think Excel will not give you money because it's not really trendy. You know, people like it when a skill is trending, right? No, Excel will give you a lot of money if you put yourself down and learn how to use the Excel spreadsheet professionally. You can start learning this from YouTube, or maybe you register for your physical class, go there and learn how to use the Excel spreadsheet. Companies will be looking for you. If you come down and learn this thing and work for 1 year or maybe 6 months, you will be surprised. And if you start making that money, please comment below. Come back and comment below in this video because this is a good idea. It's a big deal outside right now. Excel spreadsheet is something that is paying my friend, it's something that is paying people that I know, and it's something I'm still going to learn. Okay, so start with this right now. You can even start learning this on YouTube. From YouTube, you can just register for a course online just to have an idea of what this is all about, and you will start making money. Learn about the Excel spreadsheet, and you will thank me later. Hold up, I just remembered something. A friend of mine called me some time ago and was asking me, maybe he's actually watching this video. It's funny though. He was asking me, what tech skill can I advise him to go for? Like he really wants to get into the tech industry. And someone also messaged me on Instagram asking me the same question. So I think I will have to make a video on that. If you're interested in learning, in knowing the skill that pays well in tech, maybe you have to comment below. So I'll make a video on that because I really need you people to demand for it before I put it out. Let me know in the comment section if you really want me to make a video like that of what tech skill that pays well right now. So let's go to number three. This number three might put a lot of people away, but listen, you have to pay attention. Number three is this: get a high paying job. Nobody wants to do 9 to 5 again, but listen, 9 to 5 still exists. Listen, I know everybody wants to become their own boss, but right now you want something that will make you $10,000 in a year. If you have a high demand skill or experience, you can apply for jobs in industries such as technology, finance, or even healthcare. Just submit your CV online, put yourself out there, go on LinkedIn, create a profile, and put yourself out there. Or maybe use job agencies so they will help you faster in getting the job. Let people know that you have this high demand skill that can actually make you money. Pay agents to look for job for you and get yourself out there doing this 9 to 5. Believe me, if you can push yourself down and work for like 3 months, you will make a lot of money. Working in tech industry, healthcare industry, or finance industry, you know what that means. That means you have a very good handwork or a very good skill that the companies are looking for, right? So you will watch yourself make millions of dollars within 3 months or 4 months in this industry. Stop sleeping on your skill set. Go out there and get a job. Work 9 to 5. After working the 9 to 5, give yourself time, maybe 3 months or 6 months after you've gotten your $10,000 or more. Because if you work hard, you will see other opportunities in that industry and you will be making your money from different sources. After making that money, you can start up your own business and become your own boss. But right now, this is the easiest and the fastest way you can actually make $10,000 in 6 months. Let's go to the final one, which is my favorite, right? I always talk about this because it's something I love doing, it's something I've done before, and it's something I'm still learning on how to do. Number four is this: real estate agent. You can flip houses, buy low, sell high, or maybe you can start rent to rent. Let me explain to you what I mean by rent to rent. Rent to rent, I mean when you go to a landlord and tell him that you want to rent his whole property, right? And when you rent this property, you explain to the landlord what you want to use the property for. That is, you will pay him the actual money for the property. Maybe he has like 10 rooms and parlor, there are 4 rooms and parlor, right? You just rent everything for yourself and give him his money, right? He doesn't have any business with you again till the year ends. Now you can decide what you want to use the room for. Maybe you rent it out 700K, 200K, 1 million or something. I mean, the landlord does not have any business with you anymore. It's now depend on you on how you want to break the rooms down and rent it out, because it's not everybody that wants to rent the whole apartment. Some people just want room self con, some people just want 2 rooms and parlor. You can break it down for yourself and rent it out the way you want. At the end of the year, you will see how much you will make from this thing. Landlords sometimes become jealous because maybe one day I will tell you guys my own story. Or maybe you can actually start Airbnb. When you furnish the whole apartment by yourself, put the AC, put the TV, everything, or even put a Wi-Fi to attract more customers, right? When you set these things up and you start bringing people in there, maybe some people will come and stay weekly, some people will come and stay monthly, and they will be paying you so much money, huge amount of money. There are too many ways you can make money from real estate. Honestly, if you become an agent, you don't have to own a home. Imagine you just renting the whole property. You're not buying it, you just rented everything for yourself and you now invest your own money inside. You will see yourself making so much money. I love Airbnb. Someone like me, I prefer the Airbnb. Why? Because I'm a student, right? I like my money coming in monthly or weekly. I can't really wait for someone to finish staying in my house for 1 year and start paying me. The time will come. But right now, I think I prefer Just rent the apartment for 2 weeks. I will set it up for you, keep the kitchen clean, everything, get you a house help, and make sure everything is in order. Leave the generator for you. You know, Airbnb, that's where the money is actually, right? I think that's where the money is right now for me, because that's where I make my own money. And why I said this number four is very, very important and is my favorite. So you can actually do a lot of things when you become a real estate agent. Just calm down, make research, study, watch YouTube videos, and learn how you can make money from becoming a real estate agent. You will thank me later. You will thank me later, because that is where the real money is. Of course, we all know. Everything I've mentioned here is easy. You don't need so much money to start a business. Stop procrastinating and start doing something today. If you want to count $10,000 this year, pick one of these skills and start making moves. Make research. There is so many hidden secrets behind everything I've listed out here today. You just have to sit down, plan yourself, make up your mind, and tell yourself you are ready to start counting in millions. And when you start counting in millions, come back here and thank me later. These skills are working for my friend, also working for me. That is why I say in this channel, I will always bring up something that is very important and something that will help you. May God guide you and help you to pick the right skill for yourself. Go out there and make money. This year is the money year. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah, mwah. Bye.